So in this video, you'll learn how to find the camera settings on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So you may have noticed that in the new layout for the camera app on your phone, that you can no longer see the settings icon whenever you glance at the top of the screen. So in order for you to access the camera settings, it's slightly different. To do that, you need to tap on this icon here, this menu icon that you see here, and you just want to tap on it once. Once you tap on it once, you can see all other tools that you'd normally use on your phone. And you'll also notice the first thing is the camera settings icon. So whenever you tap on it, you'll then be taken to the camera settings menu. And from here, you can customize everything, including enabling scan QR code or even changing the location tags, as well as any other options that you want to do all from here. And so that's how you can find and access the camera settings on your Samsung Galaxy A56. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.